Again, this is the home court advantage of GMA Colors. First possession was for Alfonso. Winds up an early three-pointer. No.
1 month starting lang tayo po.
Alfonso on the baseline. Transport pass. On the other side, drop pass to the baseline. This is now the pass for the field. Good scoring for Alfonso. On the last the last 2 points for Joshua. Kicked it out to Lorenzana. Kick out pass from Bomb. No good. But the rebound. The last 2 points now for John Marion. Kick out to the corner of the Marlon triple. And on the shot up. Then a good ball for the 3.
Rocks out!
That's good.
Push! Push!
And Argonza with a one-hander running shot for Gio Argonza. Wonderful drive. He is Gio Argonza for 3. Off the last 2 points. Emmanuel, pass now to Assistant. Assistant goes on the drive. Back to the baseline. Alcania. Ross with a shot. Ross knocks down a jumper. And now back 13. GMA with the possession. Emmanuel. Sorry, miss on that play. Argota to Emmanuel again. Emmanuel gets the contact. Exciting ball game we are having here is only the first quarter. Here's Vidalon. Vidalon trying to walk in the corner. Pull up jumper and he knocks it down. Here's Alfonso Bowler. Vidalon. Pass now to Sanchez. Outside for 3. Here is Emmanuel, top of the tee, pass down to Rance. Rance back to Argota. Argota finds Assistant outside. Pump fake, but 3-point shot, no good for Ian. Good, and that is the end of the first. In the end of the first quarter. And we are back to the ball game. Now the second quarter, the first possession goes back for Alfonso. Good for the season 1 MVP at all the way, no good. Offensive rebound, the putback off the glass. Back on the right side. First half score, here's Jeffrey Sanchez all the way. Another 6 it out for 3. No good. And that is a new profile. On the drive, off the glass again for Vidalon. Second keep down as well for GMA. Here's Vidalon again on the drive. Another layup is 2 ball. Time out. Then on the shot clock. Argonza with the shot block, but there is a chance to hand it off. It's no fuerte. On the drive, intercepted pass by Oliva. Here's Del Mundo going all the way. Edmond plays the goal. And hands off to Emmanuel. Back outside. Inside again. It's on the top of the jumper. Basket is good. Basket is down. Alfonso still. A chance to take the lead or tie the ball game. To tie the ball game now. Go! Oh, we're still on now. Pass now to JR. Good handle, just a steal by Jerry. Here's Jeremy Sanchez. Hands it off on the right side. Good jumper on the baseline by Argyle. 35-33. A minute and 20 seconds remaining in the second quarter. 15 on the shot clock. Emmanuel to take Good Jimmy. What is damage as the teaser? Here's Emmanuel. That home court advantage is really now stepping in. No 20 with the jumper, no good. Watch out. Still alive, the jumper, no good. Short. Boys going to Alfonso. Here's Del Mundo with a pull-up jumper. He knocks that down. So a cutting teammate inside. Domingo back to number 11. 10 on the shot clock. At the middle. Rise up a 3-ball. Won't go. Batting for that rebound. Olivar got the offensive corner and the putback. Here's Sarno with the basketball. Heavily guarded by Del Mundo. Sarno on the drive, uses the letter. Ball deflected, now stolen by Vidalion. Here's Vidalion. 44-43. Pass now to Sanchez. Jeremy Sanchez all the way. Basket and one is called. Olivar with an interception again. Alfonso running the offense. Ball deflected, both hands, no stolen. Cabrino with a short side, Cabrino. From downtown, no good. Big rebound coming from Gio Argonza. It's out, back on the baseline drive. This is the new one. That's on the corner. Gio, first on pass, Rudy. From the baseline, Alfonso again can take the lead with this possession. Sagrit, hands it off. That's there. 21 for 3. Now's the count for Jimmy. Hernando passing it out on the left corner for 3 from downtown. Foul for the player number 19, Lando Olivar with his fourth personal foul. 14 foul, 1 for penalty, 1 for penalty for Olivar. Layup is made as well, 14 and on. 54 for No Puente, Carlos Ball, no Puente, One for 3, Lanzada, to JR, Emmanuel for 3, no good, big rebound there, from Nambi, and the jump to the Vidalio takes it out. Jeremy Sanchez, no good. No good to the shot. Olivar again off the glass. The putback is good. 5 seconds to shoot. Long 2-on-2. Lance inside, getting his teammate space and the putback for his own man. Pass to Manuel. Here's JR. 7 on the shot clock. And JR. Here's JR Manuel. Domingo Nabi. Argota. Argota passes on to the right side. The Alfonso with 10 on the shot clock. Jeremy Sanchez for 3, no good. There, coming from Nico Nabi. And down, no good. Good box out. Swimming down for Argota. Another offensive rebound. Kicks out. For 3. For Alfonso. Emmanuel bangs on the baseline. The shot. Coming from Lloyd Hansel Lorenzana. Another baseline jumper. There's Ortenero. The clip inside. And the back is still thrown. Here is The Fuente. Here is biggest team. 8 seconds. Point violation. Warning for penalty again for Jimmy. Knocking down the shot. Nico Nabi goes all the way for the layup. Arabella's book. Pass now to No Fuente with a left-handed play to go. Manuel. Here, Argota, down low with a left pass to Arnie, please. Kicks it out, Jeremy Sanchez again. Jeremy Sanchez. Here's the Mundo going all the way for the lay and right on the play will go for Jimmy. 71 is not the ball now. For and there's a bell with 13 bell. Here's Nabi. Going down that half court now. Those possessions stolen by Sanchez. Jeremy goes all the way. 82-75, 16 seconds remaining. And there is a bell. Both teams shake hands in the end of regulation. The score 82.